Welcome to Kigali-Engineers-College.
It's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.
Welcome parents of KC. Today's session we are going to talk about the ice cream machine, how can use and some problem to meet and how you can solve it. So first of all we are going to know the main part. Let's proceed. So this is the control board. You see it very well. This is the button of auto and this is the button of cleaning, and when you finish working your work you just clean it to maintain it. This is the stop button. This is the hardness of, and also this is the button for making the soft. Also here is to set it, and this is the discharging door. This is the handle for the first valve of this chamber. This is the hook cover, this one hook cover, and this is the hook where you put your ice cream additives, and this the first one, the second one, and also this the handle for the first one, and also this is the handle for the second one, and this in the it's for mixing the both first one and the second one. That's why of the linkage of the water. Here there isn't a seal, but here you see there is a seal that prevents the water drinking, and also here seal. And it is dirty, but we are gonna clean it. You see it have the good seals. This one, this is the one, second, third and the fourth. So you see, and this is the setting of the harder because it's already done the cooling and the making it, that's why it is on the 0. And this is the set again. When you, for example, when you wanted to press the mixer, just press. But it is so soft. So